bed canopy, bed canopy, wastebasket side table, wastebasket side table, shoe organizer, shoe organizer, washi tape, washi tape, removable wallpaper, removable wallpaper, wall mural, wall mural, tin can storage, temporary headboard, temporary headboard, electric candles, electric candles, mattress caddy, mattress caddy, toilet paper roll cable holder, bed lifts, closet dresser.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care.